Okie dokie. On the bench today, I have a pair of Switch Joy-Cons here. And this is just going to be a quick video here. We got some new ones here. We're going to put them in. This one doesn't feel too bad, but this one is just, it is so, oh, it's so crunchy. I know you can't see it or tell on video, but it is, I mean, this one, like I said, doesn't seem too bad. This one, on the other hand, is just, you can tell it's worn, obviously, right? But I don't know if you can look at, there's like a huge dip. It is just so crunchy. So I'm actually going to do this one first, and we'll just go through this. Is again just going to be a quick video and get this done. Okay, so just to show you how to do this, there's your four. You can call them tri-wing, Y-wing, it doesn't matter. Remove four of them, and when you do, when you pry it open, you can use a pry tool like this. This one actually came with a kit. I'm actually using the kit here just because it's all right here and I don't have to pull any tools for myself, right? So once you gently pry it from the bottom all the way around and unclip it, you pull it away like you see here, this way towards in front. Be careful not to pull away from it because you got your two ribbons here. Once you do that, right, you can take your pry tool and gently lift the battery out of its housing this way. You don't have to disconnect it. Some people do. I don't. I just, once I get it out, I just lift it off to the side so you don't have to pull that up. And once we're there, there is three small Phillips screws, 1, 2, 3, that are actually right here. 1, 2, and the third one is right here on the end. That goes right here. Once that's done, we have one ribbon here and one ribbon here that we got to remove so that we can get the joystick out. So give me 2 seconds here. So just to show this real quick, I don't know if it just happens to me or what, but every time I open something, I swear I see something from the factory that just, I don't know, blows my mind, right? So we've got these little locking tabs, right? And they just very gently lift forward, and then you slide out. See it there? Forward and slide out. Same with this one. Forward and slide out. Look at that. That has not been touched by me. I did not touch that at all. Does that not look crooked? It 100% is. You just, you know what? I bet if you go back and look at the video, I bet you'll see that, you know, I mean, I removed this one, yes. I removed this one, yes. But I haven't touched this one, right? I just pulled this one out from underneath. Well, is it still? Yeah, it's still on top. You know what I mean? Like I didn't do anything. And yet that is absolutely crooked. Right from the factory. Too funny. Okay, as you can see, we got it in, got the cable in. I did remove that one because we're gonna put it back properly. I don't know how that always happens to me, but you know, when you open up lots of stuff like we do here, we see some wild stuff. I mean, I'm sure it worked. Well, obviously it did, but just that's funny to come out of the factory like that. There we go. That is straight. So okay, let's get this one back together, and then we'll do the other one. Okay, so on to the second one here. Same thing, 4 screws. We remove them with the Y-wing, and when we get here, we have 1 screw here, 1 screw here, and 1 right there. When you pry the battery out and you move it to the side, this tiny micro coax, you just slide it up here, slide it out of its channel, and just move it off to the side. And when you go to remove the battery thing this time, the, I don't know what you want to call it, battery carriage, I guess, right? Do not pull straight up. What you want to do is slowly move it off to the side. You don't want to pull too hard because there is a ribbon cable that runs from here down to the board. You just want to kindly just twist it off to the side. And you'll see that that's where the ribbon is. Now we can get to the connector and replace the joystick. So just the 2 screws, flap up, remove, put the new one in. Now with the new joystick installed, we just reverse it. Just like that. Let's make sure that's out of the way, and that should sit just like that. May require a little positioning, but sorry, my hand's probably in the way. But boom, just like that. Now we can start by putting the screws back in, 1, 2, and 3. Battery back in, put our mini coax Bluetooth thing in, and away we go. And then with everything back in, should be just like that, except for the fact that that popped out a little bit. And it does. Hang on here 1 second. Get in there. Perfect. Alrighty. There we go. Sorry. It happened. Oops. That came out a little bit too, didn't it? There we go. Okay. So now we'll put it back together and we'll be good to go. And there we go. 2 brand new JoyCons. I guess it would be this way, right? For the side. But yeah. Easy. Easy peasy. You guys know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.